This is your complete sales playbook for digital marketing agencies, which included 27 pieces of content, 9 quick wins for agencies, agency ROI calculator, and sales funnel breakdown designed by me and updated just on April 1st this year. Look, what's inside? First of all, my introduction video, mirror board breakdown. First of all, this board contains a link canvas, comparison with competitors, competitive landscape, market and business research, information regarding this product, agency ROI calculator, loyalty program ROI calculator, sales decks, knowledge base, ideal customer profile, case studies, sales funnel, quick start guide, my ebook, how to get lifetime clients for your digital agencies and how to outstand the competition, jobs to be done, quick wins for agencies, quick wins for SMBs, roadmap for the first 3 months of this strategy. Don't for you set up an onboarding, it's additional paid service, use cases for 6 most popular local business niches, plus my pro tips how to generate ideas for any business niches and how to sell it easily. Sales strategies, 23 approaches, my demo calls that I made by myself and you could just copy and paste my sales approach and use it for your own needs. Facebook ads creatives, design assets, client onboarding process from A to Z, pro tips on how to grow from 0 to 50K in MRR in the first 13th month, LinkedIn outreach templates and email outreach templates. How to buy it? You just need to push the button, get the full access for just $47 right now and purchase access to this mirror board, and that's easily. What our clients say about this board? Super, appreciate the work that has occurred over the last year or so, your ongoing development, commitment, and this sales playbook. Just bought, this is really extensive and detailed and fair price. That is true. So what's included in the free version? You could also get the free template of this. This is the basic information regarding the product, just 18 pieces of content included, and the top-notch content and really game-changing content included, obviously, in the paid version that you could get just for $47 one time for the lifetime plan. So first of all, 30 minutes one-to-one training session to tailor your loyalty strategy, and the first 10 purchasers will get access to one-to-one call with me. Use cases for 6 niches, sales strategies, demo calls, Facebook ad creatives, design assets, client onboarding process, and pro tips how to grow from 0 to 50K in MRR in first 13 months. LinkedIn outreach and email outreach templates ready to use. We already helped with this sales playbook for more than 900 digital agencies in 63 countries, and this is a great opportunity for your agency as well. So what are you waiting for? Push the button and grab your copy of this sales playbook right now, and don't forget to share your thoughts right after that. Thank you so much and see you on onboarding call very soon. Take care.